In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to change your WordPress username. If you go to your user profile in WordPress, you can see your username here, but you can't change it. To do that, you need to access your localhost and change it using PHPMyAdmin. After you've logged into your cPanel account, you need to click here on PHPMyAdmin. If you don't see it here, you can just search for it in the search bar. Then click on it, and it's going to take a few seconds to load. Now click here to expand your databases, and you need to open your website's database. If you don't remember the name of your database, then back in your cPanel, open your file manager and navigate to your core WordPress files. Then look for the wp-config.php file. Right-click on it, and click on Edit. And click on Edit again. And here you can see the database name right here. Back in the PHPMyAdmin, open that database. And then, just to double check, click on the WP options. And then here, check if your website's domain is here. Then click on WP_users here. And here you can see the username. Just double-click on the username and it becomes editable. Enter the username you want to change it with. And then that's it. This'll change your username. So now when you go back to your dashboard, you'll have to log in again with the new username. And when I reload this page, you can see that my profile is updated with the new username. This is how you can change your WordPress username. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.